Plug our ears?
Tell Mark.
It's gonna be loud.
No. Okay, everybody plug your ears.
You good?
Oh.
Yep.
Oh. Missed.
Low.
Wow, that really hurts my ears.
He's missing. Spook. Spook.
Spook, get over here. Spook, get over here.
Come on, Clark. Whoa! Look at right here. Woo! Nice. Yeah.
That's my last bullet too.
Nice.
I saw the gas tip over him.
Dude, look at the hole. Look at the crater. Good old family fun Easter. Hey, come check out this crater.
Dad, we're gonna go.
Guns off.
A lizard.
Was there?
Yeah.
That was cool, huh?
Took him about. It went fall. Holy cow.
Look at that crater. Boom.
I think there's gas.
That was huge.
Awesome.
Look how freaking big that crater is.